Nifty. Good morning. Vanakkam friends. Give me 2 minutes. I will create a promotional link for the YouTube live and come back. Good morning, Arvind. Good morning, Ravi. So today we will see Nifty has broken the initial support of 17,600, but it should not close below that particular one. It must come back again. Not sure how many of you have got um, crude yesterday. Crude, the level which we have suggested was 7,222. It went all the way down till 7,070, I guess, almost. It went all the way down till that level and then it came back. In fact, it was not a positional play. Even in intraday, it came and delivered nearly 50, 60 points, I guess. 60 plus. Actually, the target which I have given to my premium members was 60 points and it has been achieved. No matter where it has went. So if you see, it went all the way down till 7071 and it came till 7285, which means 7285 minus 7222 it will be 63.5. So I don't know how many of you have taken it, but if you have taken it, you would have made money. Okay. Actually speaking, Nifty, even though it is below the support zone, there will be a 17 minor support once again coming at 17,500. But on any case, if we are able to managing a close above 17,600 today, then we will be moving on the higher side. Can we take one small risk today? Um, do one thing, just buy one lot. Actually, it has moved a bit. Give me a minute. I will try to post a call for my premium members and then come back here. This could be call of the day if it works. I have given in Telegram channel as well. For my premium members also I have given it, but for them it will be with targets. Let's see. came down till 60.80, which means our level has executed. So it's your call for free members whether to hold or exit as and when you see profits. But for premium members, targets has been already given, and they will be alerted promptly whenever they are supposed to exit. Guys, is the screen visible and audio is clear? If there is any challenges, please keep me updated so that I can check from my end. Yes, both good. Okay. Good morning. Good morning, Anil. Maruti. Yesterday we had taken a call on this for premium members. It's doing very good today. Now, all calls will not be given in Telegram channel or in YouTube. So keep in mind, sometimes I will provide update about the existing calls which we have given for premium members. Don't complain me saying that you have not given the call in YouTube or Telegram. Okay, it's just an update. Taking it as or not is up to you. Okay. Your VV on IT pack as TCS results are out and trading sideways. TCS, I have given my view today morning in the opening view itself. Results are not so bad as market expected. Even in this market, TCS holds in green. So there are chances that even though TCS is a giant of IT pack, the result move which will impact markets too much will be Infosys. Okay, so we are supposed to, if you want to know about the entire packs move, then you are supposed to wait until till Infi results, which is tomorrow after market hours. So day after tomorrow and on Friday we are shut, and the reaction will be only on Monday. So it's a long weekend. Yes, we are going to test 15, yeah, 500 we are going to test. Probably from here we could take support and climb a bit higher. That is uh, a temporary support which we can see at 17,500. Yesterday's ADR move was not good in Tata Motors. exactly hovering near the support zone of 17,500. If that is given, then we are gone for a toss. Easy 150 slide will happen. 150 point slide will happen from there. 17,500 minus 150 means it will be 17,350. If any queries on your positions, you can ask me. Ready to clarify them. Good thing for today is HDFC and HDFC Bank are in green. So let's see whether they can make a turnaround. When they are recovering, it will take Bank Nifty higher. When Bank Nifty is higher, it's tough for others to bring down Nifty down. So let's see. Guys, the 17600 call which we have given is a hero or zero kind of stuff. If Nifty closes below 17600 today, then we are supposed to exit. Else we are supposed to carry forward for tomorrow, because I am expecting tomorrow a good move. ST recovery, 200 points recovery in Bank Nifty. Whereas for only 40 points recovery in Nifty, but 200 points recovery in Bank Nifty. Whoever has taken this hedged position based on our YouTube video 17800 call and 17600 put, please exit your put today and just keep holding on your call alone. You can reduce the losses from the call. I'm expecting a good bounce from here. Already given reasons, HDFC and HDFC Bank are on the higher side, so it might be a very good move today. As of now, OI data shows negative. Very huge writing at 17700 strike. So it might be very difficult for Nifty to cross 17700. But let's see whether it is taking out 17600. If that takes, it will make an attempt to touch at least 17700. Crossing that level might be a difficult task, but it can make an attempt. Good morning, Amit. Hope you are doing good. See, I can't stop this crow, bro. Actually, in my place next to my, my home, it is having a nest in the tree just besides my window. If I open the window, then you will obviously have the sound. Okay. And of course, staying in a silent place while trading in markets will give you concentration only in markets, will not get diverted with any other things. Still, these two are not giving up, coming down marginally to red and then climbing up again. I'm, I'm speaking about the HDFC twins. Let's add it here. so that we can see how they are progressing throughout the day. They came marginally in red and then turned back immediately. So let's see if it's going on the upside. If these two are going to go up, then damn sure that everything will go up. Everything in the sense I'm not mentioning the IT pack here, because IT is affected with its own reasons. People are very crazy in asking questions. I'm not mentioning you people. Few of my members, okay, given a call in Bajaj Finance couple of days back, and it raised to an extent within a day or two, but they haven't exited, and now coming and crying with me saying that whether I need to hold or not. It's really irritating. Nandu, sir, how about Maruti? See, Maruti, I'll not be able to give any strong comments over here because it is one of my premium call. But for you, I can just check the charts and show you what kind of move can be expected in coming days. Okay, very simple logic. I will keep you updated. Markets are on the downside, but Maruti is trading in green. That shows the strength. Okay, simple terms. I'm saying you, Maruti. Okay, see here, market is down by 1% almost, 0.86%. But Maruti is trading 1.35% above in green, which means that is strong even in this kind of market. Now, what if trend changes in broader market and reverses? We can even see Maruti moving up 2% to 3% going ahead. Okay, so that should be the case. Seems market will crash to 17,300 to 17,400. Selling pressure is rising. Bro, first understand the uh, terminologies of market. Okay, we are in 17,000 plus Nifty. If at present stage we are at 17,520. Okay, so from here if it moves down like you said to 17,400, it is not even 1% from here, it is only half a percent, maybe 0.60 percentage. That should not be mentioned as crash. What is crash? When something falls more than 10% is called as crash. So please don't use wrong terminologies in markets. There are difference between um profit booking, trend reversal, crash, bloodbath, bleeding, everything. There are difference between each and every terminologies of this. Don't use the word wrong terminology named as crash. We are not going 10% below even from the all-time highs. 18,600 is the all-time high. Even from there if you reduce 10%, it will be coming somewhere near 15,800. Only then you may call it as crash. Until then it is not a crash. We have seen some good moves from 15,600 or 15,800 levels to 18,000. So we are having a profit booking kind of stuff. Okay, of course all news kind of news related items will follow. See here, from here 15,670 till 18,100 we have moved non-stop. There is not even a 5% correction in between. Forget about 5%, not even a 3% correction in between, which means that is not called as crash. Both HDFC twins have given up their gains. So are we going to break 17,500? If going below 17,500 means that's not good. That's not ideal actually. I mean that's not good as of present situation. Bro, I'm not mentioning you to say sorry here. I'm not expecting here to. I'm not expecting any apologies kind of stuff from my members. I want to correct the people to understand the right terminologies. Okay, please don't say sorry. That is not. See, everybody makes mistakes, even me. Okay, I am into markets for nearly 14 years, but still I make mistakes. Correct the terminology. It's just profit booking, but we are breaking critical supports. 17,600 we have broken. So until uh, 17,600 is reclaimed, we will be seeing this kind of fall only. And moreover, when we break 17,500, the fall will be little bit faster because it will rush to touch the lower end of the range. What is lower end? I have mentioned in our opening view, 17,350 odd levels approximately. Maruti. Bank Nifty is holding strong near the support zones. Actually, the support which we have mentioned is 37,200. That is the support actually, but it is holding with the support right now. So let's take into daily time frame. Yeah, if it is supposed to fill the gap, he requires 36,242 to be tested. So what is the low as of now? 36,269. So another 25 points is the thing. 20 to 25 points is the thing which we can expect a slide over here. Post that we could see some stabilization from Bank Nifty because the two mega things are getting stopped from their fall. ICICI Bank, which is strongest of the lot from Bank Nifty, is looking good at present stage, but we don't know whether Bank Nifty will fall further or not. If Bank Nifty is stabilizing from here, he will be the one who can raise fastly. 753 is the current market price in futures. Whoever is ready can go long here with a stop loss of 748. Nifty staying below 17,500 for long time is not good. It should come back within another 30 minutes. So now the time is 10 by 10:30, 10:05 actually. By 10:30 he should not trade below 17,500 again. Definitely that's not going to be good. Give me a minute, guys. I am receiving call. Hello. சொல்லுங்க bro. நான் பார்க்குறேன் அது என்னட்டு கவர் பண்ணிடுறேன் எல்லா பொசிஷன். நான் இன்னைக்கு பண்ணிடுவேன். ஆமாம் நான் பண்ணிடுவேன். என்ன பெனால்ட்டி தானே போட போகிறாங்க, போட்டுக்கிட்டோம் பரவாயில்ல. ஆ கிளைண்ட் கன்ஃபர்மேஷன் வச்சு தான் நான் ஹோல்ட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன். சரி நான் பண்ணிடுறேன், கவலைப்படாதீங்க. சரி ஓகே, நான் பார்த்துக்கிறேன். நான் பார்த்து கட் பண்ணிக்கிறேன். Holding SBI and Mr. Kumar, just give me a minute. I will verify the charts and get back to you. Give me a minute. I am responding for one of my member and then come back to you. Yeah, let's check charts. What's the one? Holding SBI. See, SBI, you might be aware about our number game strategy. SBI, as long as it is holding above 495, he is supposed to hit 545. Okay. If you check SBI charts, it is a bit weak right now, but as long as it is not going below 495, closing below 495, it can bounce back anytime. So probably it can take support around 500, which is the round number, and it is the correlation. I mean, the number is coinciding with that of the 20 and 50 moving average. So probably he may take support at 500 and then climb back. So if you want a stop loss, then your stop loss should be 500 on closing basis. If 500, if the stock closes below 500 on a given day, then you are supposed to exit. Then Balrampur Chini. Actually, Balrampur Chini is a momentum stock. You should have played it in cash or futures. It's bit weak. Chart structure is very weak. But still it is hovering above the 20 moving average. For this, your stop loss should be 492. If 492 is taken out by close, then you are supposed to exit your position in Balrampur. Okay. So both these steps will happen only if Nifty is closing below 17,600. If Nifty is managing to come back and close above 17,600, both of these stocks will climb higher. So don't worry about it at present. Let's wait and see how it progresses throughout the day. Yes, both on spot prices, bro. Not in futures. Both on spot prices. 500 below is an exit for SBI and 492 below is an exit for Balrampur on spot price. We were looking for long and zinc at 354 levels yesterday, but it never came there. It came only till 356.85, I believe. From there, it turned back. Once again, updating about the pair trade which was suggested in YouTube live last week. 17,600 and 17,800. Probably we have suggested to enter around 130 odd all, I believe. Now it is above 158, the combined premium. So it's your call to where to exit. You can just give updates like this. I can't say whether you need to exit at this price. Even though this market falls, ICICI is still holding at our rate 750 to 53. I think if market reverses from here, he is the one who is supposed to will run first on the higher side. Very nice that one of my manager, when I worked with Dell, he sees my messages, my status, and wishes me about the YouTube live. Very nice to see. It's long time since I spoke to him. 492 break in Balrampur will exit now. Bro, it's not like 492 break in Balrampur. I said that it should be on closing basis. Please understand what is closing basis. Closing basis means only you should not worry about the intraday volatility. By 3:25 p.m. when you see the stock price is below that particular price, then you are supposed to exit. There are chances your losses may increase at that moment, but there are very chances that it can climb the level higher. Chola Finance 700p. Let me check. Let me check. Give me a minute. Chola Finance is the one we said, right? We'll go to charts. Chola Finance. See, as the broader market is also weak and the financial index is also weak, this is also seeing some profit booking. But look at the charts from here. When markets have fell down, this particular stock has gone up. So you can expect good downside only if the stock breaks 716. If it breaks 716, then it can easily go on test 684. In that case, your 700 put option will be fetching you very good profits. If you want a stop loss for this trade, then it should be yesterday's high. But technically speaking, that is the stop loss. But that level is way above from current point. So I don't know what is the entry price of your Chola Finance put. If you have entered yesterday, you might have got it at a lower price, but if you have entered today, then your pricing might be little bit higher. 716. I will keep in mind. Thank you. Current market price is near my cost. Okay, if it is near your cost, then you may hold on to the position. Since Nifty has broken down, Bank Nifty is the one which is holding above our support area, which is 37,240. If that is also broken, then you will see good move on the downside in Chola. $716 is this is what I thought. It is a fresh query. So Nifty continuously staying below this particular level is not good. Um, Guys, if you have exited, so uh, 1 minute. Like we expected that Nifty could bounce from 17,500 levels, but it hasn't done so. On the other hand, it is trading continuously below 17,500 for nearly 30 minutes, almost 25 minutes as of now. So, if somebody wishes to stay safe in this kind of market, those people can exit the 17,600 call with small losses. Whoever wishes to carry a 0 or 0, they can hold it, because my level of 17,600 which I have mentioned is on closing basis, not the intraday fall. So that is one thing which I want to convey. Actually speaking, Bank Nifty looks good for me. So why can't we take one risk over here? Give me a minute. I will post one call to my premium members. Yeah, I have just posted a call to them. Now, like what I said, Bank Nifty is the one which I am seeing very attractive. It is not breaking the support. At the same time, it is trying to climb a bit higher from the lower levels. See, we have said that 37, 240 odd levels will be the support for Bank Nifty. It has gone down till 37, 269 and then climbed once. On the second attempt, it came down, but till taken support at 37,319.75 and again climbing back. This is really a confusing factor to understand the broader markets. Okay, so if this is going to sustain on the higher side, we can play in 37,800 call. You can take a 37,800 call at current price or near somewhere around 100 with a stop loss of 30 rupees and book as per your comfort. Because I am looking for good up move from here. Because the thing is, Bank Nifty still holds. That is very good for me. And HDFC and HDFC Bank are both are not giving up. They are going, staying down sometime for some time, and then climbing up immediately. If this is going to be the case, I'm pretty much sure that we are going to move on the higher side. So that is the reason I am trying to suggest risky trade in Bank Nifty. So if this goes fine, then you will end up with very good profits today in this particular call. at ICICI Bank, still at that levels, even though when Nifty dropped nearly 80 points from the highs. I mean, yeah, we have given that call somewhere near this area, right? So 60-65 points from the highs, Nifty has dropped, but ICICI Bank still hovering at the price which we have suggested. That's very nice, actually speaking. And if my guess is correct, we are going to turn from here. Am I seeing any query? Hope for your words, we should climb from here. See, I believe it is going to climb up from here, bro. Because the thing is, we dropped below 17,500, went almost near to 17,400 odd levels. Let's see what is the low. Yeah, 17,450 odd levels, and then coming back again. And in between the timing, Bank Nifty has not even broken its earlier support. It has not even um, filled the gap which it has created during last week Monday. So I think that we are going to move up. The only condition where I will change my stance will be if today's low is broken again, then there are chances we will drift further. or else definitely we are going to move up. I am struck with 17,500. What is 17,500? Call or put? So 17,500 call means you need not worry about it right now because I am expecting a recovery from here. Bipin, this is for you. Tata Motors has fell down because of the ADR move which has happened yesterday. In ADR, it has dropped 2 to 2.5%, I believe. And there is a clear reflection over here in our markets. So that is the reason it has already fell down 3%. So you need to hold your position. Let me check the charts for Tata Motors. And for Nifty, I don't require any charts because I am very confident that if today's low is not broken, then we are going to move higher, definitely. So Tata Motors, yeah, 1 minute. What we have discussed, Tata Motors, right? Yeah, look at the charts. It has turned weak, but still the super trend shows uh, green, which means this super trend low, the 424. This 424 should be your stop loss. As long as your stop loss holds, you can hold it. Tata Motors is a kind of stock which will rally all of a sudden for maybe 4 or 5% without even any reason. Okay, and today's close is very much important for you since you do hold in options. I can suggest you, if today's close is below this 20 moving average. What is 20 moving average? This black line. Okay, 439. So if today's close is below 439, then you may consider of exiting, or else you can hold your position even though all the indicators show on the downside. This super trend is showing you buy, which means it can climb up anytime. Nifty filled the gap. Bank Nifty was due to fill it. So for that it came today to that level. Probably it could be. It could be. That could be a reason. Hardly there is a 20-point difference between the today's low and the gap filling area. Let me show you through charts. Okay, see here what is the high? So 30 37,209, that is the high. Okay, so over here what is the low? 37,269. It's not the low, actually 264, which means approximately 50 points is the difference between today's low and the gap filling area. So there are good chances that it could be considered as gap has been filled, even though it has technically not filled. What is TCS doing today? Look at the way TCS moving. He is low only moving on the green side on back of its results. Actually, yesterday we could have taken a trade over here in TCS, but it was not convincing for me at last stage, so I ignored it. Even though if you would have taken the option premium would be at a higher end yesterday. So guys, two good South Indian movies are coming up tomorrow and day after. I mean, the bigger ones which I am saying, I am not speaking about the smaller ones. And tomorrow is Beast, and day after will be KGF Part 2. So there are good chances that PVR could rock from here. I have given a call for premium members already. As I said earlier, I can't give all calls over here. So you may take entry at levels if which you prefer. Okay, but my my suggestion would be not to short PVR at this moment. So that is all I can say. I can say now. So I need to maintain some discipline between the premium members and the normal free members. So that is the only reason I am not able to give all the calls and targets for you people. Hope you will understand it definitely. And guys, one more important thing, just for relaxing. Tonight we have a IPL match between CSK and Bangalore. The saddest part is FAF will be playing for Bangalore this time, and we are yet to register a victory in this season. So that's a bit sad thing for me, being an IPL fan and CSK fan. We haven't registered any victory this season. So it's very hard for us to believe, and we don't want to blame any person saying that because of captaincy change or because of some other reasons we have failed to do so. That is not correct. We haven't performed well. That is the reason we haven't registered anyone, even one victory in this season. So, do we have any other queries? Feel free to ask whatever silly it may be. I'm ready to answer. We are seeing some choppy moves right now. Good that we climbed back again 17,500. Now the more we trade above 17,500, the more we will see up move on that direction towards close of the day, not immediately, because as of now the option data is very strong in 17,500 strike and 17,600 strike, so it needs to shift for some reason. So only then we may see that kind of up move. Until then, it will be a yo-yo kind of stuff on both directions. Let's hope for the best. Look at the way crude moves. 7,222 is our suggested entry yesterday. Now it's trading at 7,333, which is 111 points higher. I am damn sure you people have never traded that, but if you have traded, you would have ended with good gains, because everybody wants to invest 1,000 rupees and we make that 1,000 rupees into 2,000 rupees. We don't want to invest good amount as capital and wait for appropriate rewards. That is a mistake we all people do. And finally, we say that I am a small trader. I am not able to arrange any capital. Poonawalla FinCorp. Let's see the charts. This is the one which you are speaking, right? Poonawalla. Is there something else? We are saying only one. Okay, right. Probably this might be the thing which you are saying. Okay. Now, at present juncture, it is a little bit weak. Probably it can test 288 on the downside and then climb on the higher side. It is just a retracement of this particular big move. So probably as per the chart structure, this chart structure I used to call as 1 2 3 bearish pattern. So in this case, there should be a retracement towards the nearest moving average. In this particular stock case, the next moving average is 10 moving average, which comes at 288.26. So probably it can test that level and then climb back again on the ISI. So if you want to go long, you can add small quantities around the level which I have suggested, 288. Don't rush and chase right now. It will come. It will come to that level. So don't worry about it. If our analysis is supposed to be correct, whatever the level which we are um, analyzing through, it will definitely come. So don't worry of thinking that whether it will come or not, kind of stuff. Cipla 1040 call. Let's see Cipla charts. Actually speaking, pharma is looking good as of now, except one or two stocks which are not performing. All the other pharma stocks are performing well. See, it's market's ideology that when market falls, pharma will be the first to rise, and then the second will be the FMCG to rise. So, considering that in mind, Cipla has not done anything for the last 15-20 days. Look at the charts, it is under deep consolidation, maybe from 1000 to 1040 odd levels. That is the best case it has done. Okay, 1000 to 1050 odd levels. And the chart structure is also a bit weak. RSI pointing towards downside, stochastic and MACD has also had a crossover and downside. Stock is consistently trading below 20 moving average and 10 moving average. This is not a good sign. Let's see by changing the chart into Heikin Ashi candle pattern whether we can see some reversal or not. See, we might see a reversal, but for that, tomorrow should be a big day. We might, I'm saying might in the sense it is only 50-50 chances. For that, it must have a big candle day tomorrow on green side, say about 2% move minimum. If there is a 2% up move tomorrow, then you can hold on to your position of 1040 call. If not, please exit it, because day after tomorrow and on Friday, market is holiday, and 4 continuous days of holidays, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. And on Monday when you come, if the stock opens in strong in green by 2%, only then you will be seeing even the close price of Wednesday, or else definitely there will be a premium erosion. So the last hope for you is the stock should have a 2% up move tomorrow. If that happens, you can hold on, stick to your position. If not, you are supposed to exit your position with small losses. Domain research, he has asked some question and I has recall that question. I don't know why people are behaving like this. Sorry, sir, I wanted to correct it. It was about Cipla, which you just explained. Okay, no problem. I have explained, right? See, if your query is over here, if somebody else is holding that position and he is also supposed to ask that query, my response may help him also. That is the reason I am asking you people not to delete any messages from here. Guys, the only request which I have from your end is circulate our YouTube link for your friends and family members, whoever is interested in share markets. Let them also get benefited out of our sessions. I am not going to charge you people uh, for providing this kind of services. But the thing, my intention is to help as much as possible people whom I can. I am trying to promote, doing promotion with other Telegram channels, but we are not sure how many people will get joined because of that. But I trust my members more than anyone else. So that's the only request which I am placing in before you. Please do try to promote our link as and when possible for you. So do we have any other questions? I'm keenly waiting. See, if you keep on asking questions, it will be a very interactive and interesting session. Or else it will be boring because I can't keep on talking without any subject, right? It will be boring for you as well as me. ICICI Bank has moved 2 points from our entry price. The price which we have suggested is 752 to 53. So if you have got it at 752, it is now at 754. And if you have got it at 753, means it is at 1 rupee 50. Sorry, 1 rupee gain. You may book as and when you are happy. And the options which we have suggested over there is $780 call. 650 to 7 was our entry price. 650 is the exact low as of now. Maruti is still holding nicely. If markets move from here, we will see a stunning move from Maruti, I guess. 7730 is the high as of today, as of now, in this one, and it is quoting way below that price, 7595. If market bounces from here, Maruti will have a very good up move. The charts are creating a very good up move prediction for ICICI Bank, and I think the charts will be similar for bank as well. Yeah, for Bank Nifty also the charts are similar. The moment he crosses this green line, crosses red line, and stays above for a couple of minutes, and we will see wonders at that time. Already ICICI Bank, sorry, Kotak has turned green comfortably. AU Bank is also turned green. Bandhan is just a 0.5%. The biggest draggers are State Bank of India, along with the taxes, IndusInd and ICICI Bank. These are the biggest draggers of Bank Nifty as of now. So probably they could come back. Coromandel, we will see charts. Coromandel. Wow, very good looking charts. Very good looking charts. It can easily test 860 on immediate basis. 860 on immediate basis. Crossing 860 will take it to 888. The stop loss for your trade would come around this low. 810 will be your low. 810 will be your stop loss if you want to take a trade now. And HCL and TCS. TCS I have already updated in the morning itself. TCS, actually speaking, it is looking good. Results, market expected a very poor set of results from them, but they haven't delivered such bad results. In fact, their order wins are a little bit good than the expected ones. So that's the primary reason the stock is trading in green even in this kind of market. 1% fall, IT index is falling badly, but still TCS is holding on the green side. But the major trend of IT pack will come only when Infosys delivers results. That is tomorrow after market hours. The main thing is Infi should give some raise in their guidance, okay, revenue guidance. If Infi announces some raise in their revenue guidance, then for sure Infi will rock. If Infi is rocking, then everything from the IT pack will rock. See, whatever I say you is history. That is how market functions. Nobody can stop it. Okay, so only if Infi delivers a very poor set of results, then it will be a tough for our IT pack. And moreover, very bad set of results in the sense which I mean, they should not decrease their revenue guidance. Even if it is stable like what they have mentioned during last quarter, it's fine, but they should not reduce their revenue guidance. Something says me tomorrow markets will have a good green day. Have a reason for that. Probably let's see what actually happens. My intuition says like that. It's not mandate that my intention should always succeed, but the history is most of the time my intuition gets succeeded. Most of the time. That's the history which I have. Two, six, five. ICICI Bank above 754.75 right now, which means 2.5 rupees plus in profits if you have entered at 752. If you have entered at 753, it is 1.5 rupees profits. 5 plus 1.5 plus. The lot size is 1375 over here. Bank Nifty coming back to our levels, climbing little bit higher and then coming up back on the downside. It's showing some funny moves. Coromandel has been addressed, HCL Tech addressed. HCL Tech, you have asked me, right? We haven't seen the charts. Even if we see the charts, it will be very poor actually, because the last couple of days things are going bad. Right at support, HCL Tech. If you want to go long, this is the place where you can go long, because your stop loss is very minimal. Your stop loss should be 1215 on downside on closing basis. If that holds, you can easily see a move towards 1200 in coming days. It will not happen immediately, one or two, not in 1 or 2 days. It will take maybe a week time. 1200 will be your target if 1125 on closing basis stop loss holds. Yes, green line crossed red line. Now the thing is, it needs to sustain for a couple of minutes. Couple of minutes means how much time? If you ask me, then I would say at least for 15 to 30 minutes continuously without even going down on 5 minutes time frame. If it sustains for 30 minutes, then it is well and good. That's more than enough for everything to get fired on the RSI. Nice green candle, right? Nifty, sorry, Bank Nifty futures, whichever we are seeing right now. Apollo Hospitals 480 CE now at 1. Now at 108. Should I exit or hold? Actually, it's my GF's account. Oh, girlfriend's account. Oh, whoever's account it may be. That's not a big deal, bro. Um, Apollo. Apollo actually in yesterday's video itself we have discussed about this, I guess. Actually, see, it is exactly hovering near the 200, all kind of moving averages. Let me zoom and see it, show it to you. So this black color line, the thick black color line in between the Bollinger Band is 20 moving average. The sky blue line is the 50 moving average. This maroon line is the um, 200 moving average. This dark blue line, which is getting highlighted now, is the 10 moving average. So it is trading exactly near all the moving averages. If you can wait, please wait for close above this 20 moving average. So what is the 20 moving average as of now? 4646. Okay, 4646 is the 20 moving average right now. You just make it round off 4650. Wait for a close above 4650. If that happens, definitely he will move on the higher side. Definitely. There is no other go. Definitely he will move on the higher side. So take a chance of holding it for maybe today or tomorrow. If 4650 is getting crossed and closed, then you will see very good profits in your position. So take a risk. And if you want a stop loss, then your stop loss should be this 10 moving average, which is 4570. If it goes below 47, if the spot price goes below 4750, sorry 4570, and closes below it, then you can exit today, or else carry your positions for tomorrow. Probably if there is a breakout, if tomorrow if that breakout happens, you can even hold for the long weekend too, no issues, because this is a stock which will never respect the broader market moves. It will move on its own when it gathers momentum. 4650 above for up move, 4750 close, stop loss. Yes, correct, you are right. I am looking at the metals pack. There are some signs of reversal from the lows they have made today. Can we go for a hero or zero in Tata Steel, the one which we usually go? Let me see what is the ideal strike price which we can go for. Yes, 1 minute. I will share it first to my premium members and then come back here to post. Buy. Yes, here is your call on Tata Steel. If you are looking for hero or zero call for the month, then you can play for it, or else please ignore. Nifty is also trying to cross my moving average. So many of you have asked me what kind of moving average I use. See, I normally change my moving averages often, but the ones which you see in charts right now is 13 and 26. Bank Nifty has already crossed over that moving average, but Nifty is struggling. Can this also show a crossover? I believe yes, slowly moving. If that happens, good, good for broader markets. Oops. Once again, these two drags on the downside. HDFC Bank and HDFC. This is literally irritating. And on the other hand, Kotak slowly moves to the higher most part of the day. The problem is created because of these two large elements. If at least one stabilizes, that's fine. ICICI Bank slowly moved from 650 to 750. Have you seen it? If people would have traded, they might have seen it. Nearly 1 rupee move in few. I mean, in options, 1350 is the lot size. Once again, Nifty is going downwards. Once again below 17,500. Now the test is, will we hold on to the earlier low 17,462? If that goes, then we are gone for a toss, I believe. Probably we must hold, because generally on days like this, yesterday we had a red close, and today we opened a gap down, went down to the critical support, and then tried to bounce from there. First attempt we succeeded. Second attempt, if we succeed, definitely we'll move on the higher side. But as of now, it is not confirmed. Only if we are not breaking is today's low, we can move up, or else we need to be cautious on our positions. If that goes, then no other go. We are supposed to exit our longs in Nifty. The big questionable thing today is why Bank Nifty is providing this much support. Is this going to take Nifty higher, or whether Nifty is going to take Bank Nifty lower? That is the biggest question which I'm not able to find any answer. every day it becomes by 11 o'clock, by 10:30, 11 o'clock, it becomes very boring. From there till European market open, it becomes very boring. Where is this going? Once again climbed above 17,500. It is literally playing seesaw on both sides. Staying below 17,500 for a couple of minutes and staying above 17,500 for a couple of minutes. The biggest question is on which side we are going to see a breakout. Now let's see what is the high and low of today. 17,594.40 and 17,462, which means not even 1% between the high and low. So VIX is also below 19, so we can't see much volatility. Even though if we are seeing volatility, then it will be on the higher side only because of VIX. Only when VIX is at higher levels, we may see panicness surrounding, and because of that, markets may fall from highs. Since VIX is also trading below 19, then there are chances only to move on the higher side. If VIX goes below 18, then I can say you confident 100% we are sure going to move on the higher side. But as of now, I can't say that. Yeah, look at the move. ICICI Bank, he takes the lead. He takes the lead. Still, HDFC Twins are down, but this fellow takes the lead. He joins the party with Kotak. Can he turn green? It is only 0.5% on red in ICICI Bank. If he turns green, that would be fantastic. Seems if Bank Nifty comes in party, we can kiss 38,000, or if Nifty drags Bank Nifty, then we can fall on feet of. Yeah, you are right, Mr. Kumar. But the thing is, if Nifty is supposed to go down, it must break the morning low. Sir, is it advisable to buy 17,600 call at 40? Yeah, we can buy. Amit, I think I have given that call in our premium group itself. Since Nifty is trading above 17500. As I said earlier, as long as it stays above 17500, it's very good. You can even buy at 40, 40, 42. The thing is, only you should exit only if Nifty closes below 17600 today, or else you should carry your position. You may not know the reason why I am saying to carry the position, but tomorrow you will know the reason. If my guess is correct, tomorrow Nifty will show plus 100. Whatever the close may be today. Okay, I can understand, Amit. You can go for it. Slowly we are climbing. Slow, like we generally say, right? Slow and steady wins the race. That is how Nifty is progressing. In fact, Bank Nifty has surged in even 100 points from there. See here, 17,500 to 37,500 to 37,600 plus. Bank Nifty has surged, but Nifty is still hovering. Why? Because this has given a crossover, but still Nifty has not given a crossover. That is the only reason. Yeah, just 5 minutes before only it has given a crossover. Now, the more he sustains above, I mean to say the green line above red line, the moving averages. The more he sustains above, we will see a spectacular move on the higher side. I don't know whether we will cross 17,600 today or not, because the options writers are very high at 17,550 strike. So to take charge of them, we need definitely participation from the biggies of market. You very well know what are all the biggies of market. Either Reliance or HDFC Twins, or probably the IT pack should reverse. Even in the IT pack, barring TCS, I think everything is in red. Bajaj Finance gives a good comeback. Bank Nifty is slow and steady. She is moving very slow and steady. But we are in profits as of now in Bank Nifty. Remember where we suggested this 37,800 call? We suggested at 90, I believe, right? 90 or 95, something like that. Somewhere near that. We are already in 15-20 points profit. No matter whether 10 or 15 points or 20 points, but it is in profits. That is the thing which I can say. ICICI swiftly delivers 5 points in futures. 752 to 757. Very slow and steady move. Can he move into green? If he moves into green, that will be awesome. Because most probably if he moves into green, Axis and IndusInd Bank will follow him. They might not have a significant weightage in Bank Nifty, but still if they follows, it would be very good. ICICI Bank 720 call, which we have suggested at 6 rupee 50 paise, between 6 rupees 50 paise to 7, is now delivering you approximately 1.9 not 1.90 paise, even if you entered at 7. I'm not considering the lower band. Even if you have entered at 7, you are in 90 paise profits. So if I say 90 paise profits, that would be very small for you. Let me speak in percentage. You are in nearly 20% profits, I guess. Correct? Are we in 20%? No, approximately 15%. 15% profits, even if you have invested at 7. Very funny post which has been shared by one of my well-wisher. Let me read the post. It will be interesting for you as well. Former US President Donald Trump is the most honest human being God has ever created. It has been said by himself when he spoke in a rally at North Carolina on Saturday, April 9th. Isn't it very funny? This fellow praises himself. Oh my God. PVR haven't given us opportunity. I don't know whether you people have picked it or not. We suggested somewhere around 67, I guess, actually. It has moved from 67 to 82, came back down, and then moved to 80 right now. Nasty move in crude. Remember, 7222 was our entry yesterday. That was the suggested entry yesterday. 7222. We are at 7380 right now, which means 150 points plus 150 or 160. Yeah, 160 plus. At 7382, we are 160 points plus. Steam. Do we have any additional queries from you people? Biocon IDFC. Guys, when you are asking queries during market hours, please join YouTube live and ask your queries so that I may answer. Wow, what a move on crude. 7,400. Very nice. This is how he is supposed to move. Seems natural gas is going to have a wild move on either direction. Not sure about the direction right now. So where we are trading right now on natural gas? Let me see. 516. We are trading at 516. The trend is indecisive for last 1.5 hours. Nice move on aluminium as well. Cop, zinc alone hasn't given opportunity yesterday. And the gold call, gold mini call, which we have given last day, has surged nearly 500 points plus. How many of you have seen it? In fact, 52 500 plus is the high, but we suggested at 51 925. It's like little tragedy. Divergence between Nifty and Bank Nifty. One on the one supporting bulls and the other one is supporting the bears. That's the problem. Everywhere it is like this. Exactly near this particular zone, and it is not giving a crossover. See in this options, the green has not yet crossed the red. It must cross. Only then it will be a conclusive sign for us for take long. But we are little bit advanced and we have taken it much ahead. Let me see where we are. There are a couple of members have joined new right now. Guys, if you have any queries, you may post here. I'm ready to answer. The move by ICICI is literally stunning. Very swiftly he has come back. Very swiftly. From 752 to 758 now. 6 points. And in options it will be like it is 8.10 now. 8.20, sorry. 8.20 now. Even at this price, if you have taken it at 7, our higher price band, you are in good 1.2 rupees profit. Maruti is also nicely holding up, but the thing is it hasn't participated in this up move from 17,450 to now. It was hovering at the place where it was at 17,460. When Nifty was at 17,460 odd levels, Maruti was quoting around 7,600. Now it has just raised 15 points from there. That's it. Wow. Nice comeback. Yes. I think this is also given a crossover right now. 17,600 call. So another couple of minutes, if he sustains, then the march will be towards 17,600 immediately. The writers have started unwinding few of their positions at 17,500 strike, and they are getting added in 17,600 strike right now. The move in PVR is beautiful. Hero Moto, Escorts, M&M, Eicher, all four are in red. But Maruti alone batting for the Bulls from the auto pack. Seven two. Bajaj Finance. Let's check what has what is happening in US futures. US futures. US futures are marginally trading in red 0.25% to 0.35%. S&P 500, Dow Jones and Nasdaq. European indices has nearly 0.5% more than in red. But the CAC 40, I think it is Italian market, it's cracked nearly 3%. Not sure whether any news related stuff or not, but it has dropped nearly 2.95% as of now in futures. Very nicely consolidating. One big bar has to come. If that comes on the green side, then we will see good move in Nifty too from here. Very nice consolidation for nearly half an hour. One big bar has to come. Let's see whether it comes on the green side. If that comes, then it's good. Look at the move in ICICI Bank after the crossover happens. Did anybody of you entered PVR? 1900 call. We have suggested it at 67, 68 levels. When it was floating around 67, 68 levels, we have suggested. Have any one of you picked? Then you are in 20 rupees profit as of now. Not 20, it is like 17 to 18 rupees profit. Yes, somebody else is pushing Bank Nifty now. Who is that? Yes, Kotak and Axis. Axis has come down to 0.27 percentage in red. Earlier it was 0.70 or something like that. Now it is 0.27, 0.23 in red. So they are helping hands. The problem is with really the HDFC Twins and State Bank of India from banking pack. State Bank of India is also half a percent, nearly 1% in red right now. Bank Nifty 37,800 call option also has given a crossover. So now, as of present situation, everything has gone across, given a crossover with smaller moving average on the higher side and bigger moving average on the downside. See here, Nifty has given crossover here. Bank Nifty is also given crossover. Bank Nifty options, which we have suggested 37,800, that is also given a crossover. And now Nifty has also given a crossover. Probably you may not see here. Yeah, when I zoom, you may see. Yeah, see here. It has also given a crossover, which means bulls are ready to take charge. The problem is with HDFC Twins. Can somebody push them from the downside towards upside? If that happens, we will see a good move. Bank Nifty may even test 38,000 today if that happens. The thing is, HDFC should come back. PVR at 90. I think none has taken it. Then what is the use of me saying that, giving the call here? Not even single person has taken PVR call. I don't know how many of you watch TV during market hours or before market hours. One of the analysts in TV have given a sell call in PVR today morning. I was literally surprised why he has given so. But then I digested myself saying everybody has individual views. Nobody can go and force them to give such a positive view on this particular stock. So I justified myself and left it. Are we getting ready for a big bar? The problem is one problem now which we can foresee is European markets. European markets will open at 12:30, right? But 12:30, we have already said that CAC 40 is suggesting a 3% down move. I mean, down gap down opening. I don't know whether it is related to some news factor or not, but it is showing as of now like that. There are some news floating across TV regarding the excise duty cut for petrol diesel. Because of which the oil marketing companies are going down. Now the twist again. This is poor. Exactly near ahead of European market opening, we have started drifting towards the downside. This is the problem. Else we would have gone higher because of this European markets stuff. We are falling a bit.
பிரச்சனைகளில் நீ கொஞ்சம் அதிகம் கவனம் செலுத்துங்க. இதான் என்னுடைய வேண்டுகோள்.
Come on. So we are 3 hours as of now live. We have started with 2 participants, 3 participants, and now came to 2 digits. Yesterday also we had more than 10 participants. So now last opportunity for you people. If you have any queries, you may ask, or else we will wind up the session in next 5 or 10 minutes. What are the calls which we have given today has delivered returns even now itself. Call on Bank Nifty from 90 to 135. ICICI Bank futures I have suggested for premium members, but I have given options for you people. It has given you nearly 1 rupee plus. The lot size is 1350. And barring that, given a call in PVR, which none of you have taken. So there is no point in discussing about it. I have already shared the link to few people, but none of them joined. We'll try again tomorrow. No issues. See, we need to grow only slow and steady. Any kind of rocket kind of up move will not sustain. That is what I believe. Okay. Last Monday we have started doing YouTube live. First 3 days we had only 4 people join, and on the next day we have 7 people join. Yesterday we touched 2 digits, like about 10 people. Today at one stage we have seen nearly 14 people who have joined. Let's grow slowly, okay? Nothing urgent in this. We will start going live from tomorrow every day. We will start our live session by 9:15, and we will plan to have live till 12 in the noon at initial stages, even though if we have only 4 or 5 participants. When we grow, then we will increase our timeline slowly till market ends. Okay, so don't worry about it. But anyways, thanks for sharing, honoring my request and sharing to your friends. That is whether people join or not joining, that is up to their decision. We can't force someone to join, right? See, end of the day, I am trying to help. If they want help, they will come. If they don't want help, they won't come. That is the basic logic behind it. Okay. So whatever the profits you have based on the calls which we have given, take care of it. Like always, targets are only for my premium members. So I will wait for another 1 or 2 minutes. Then we will decide. If there is no questions, we will wind up today's session. PVR. We are going to test 3 digits. From 67 till 99, it is almost 32 rupees, which is more than 40% of return on investment on your position. This is the place where we have suggested this particular zone. I have given you the reason also. 2 big movies are coming. Tomorrow one and day after tomorrow one. Both are South Indian movies. I am not referring to the North Indian movies. because I don't know about the movies which are getting released during this weekend in Mumbai or Maharashtra or Delhi. So, since I am aware about only the South Indian part, I have informed that. Okay, right. So we don't have any queries. We will wind off today's session. We will start our live tomorrow by 9:30 maximum. I will try to come back. Start by 9:15. If not, we will definitely start at 9:30 tomorrow morning. Have a good day, friends. Bye for now. See you again tomorrow.